बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला हम सबको अपने हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे। आई एम मोहम्मद अशरफ मलिक with English pronunciation, and in my previous lectures I have told you that there are 26 letters in English alphabet and total sounds in English are 46. It means that one letter can give us more than one sound, and certain sounds are produced by a combination of letters. And among these 46 sounds, we have got 20 vowel sounds and 26 consonant sounds. Now, the sound we are going to talk about is oo sound. Oo sound, and you see the phonetic symbol for oo sound. Here you put a U and you can see a small dots. Wherever you have two small dots, it means that it is longer sound. It is longer vowel sound. We can have this oo sound in many different ways, by many different letters and by many different combinations of letters. And first of all, if O come together, double O, like food, moon, true, spoon, food, lagoon, aloof, groom. The same sound we can have by the combination of OU, group, true, you, coo. P is silent here. Ampoule, boulevard, coupe. And here you can see a small mark on E, and that is called acute accent, and it tells us how a particular vowel is pronounced, in what way, in which manner it can be pronounced. So most of the times we have this mark on vowels, and it tells us how a particular vowel on which that mark occurs, how it is to be pronounced. And here it is always A, and it, in rare cases, this very mark is present on this E, but that is not pronounced as A, rather it is pronounced as E. We'll talk about in our upcoming lectures. And this sound is coupe, and this is boudoir. And OIR is underlined here. OIR. So sometimes this OI is pronounced as wa, like reservoir, repertoire, abattoir, and this is boudoir. And after whatever the letter we have got R, here we have got R. After whatever the letter is there after OI, it is not pronounced, like chamois, CHAMOIS, chamois. And O can also give us the same sound, oo, who, move, remove, approve, tomb. B is underlined, it means that we are not here pronouncing B sound. It is tomb, it is womb. And you can also give us the same sound, oo, rude, flute, June, prune, fortune, lunar, lunatic. And UE also may give us the same sound, like blue, true, glue, clue, accrue, flew, sue. EW. So when these two letters occur together, these also may give us the sound oo, like blue, not blue, flew, through, crew, jew, screw, cashew, brew, shrewd, drew. And there are also exceptions to this rule as well. We have got words like new, few, mew, dew. But I was telling you that this sound, U sound, can be had in many different ways, and one of them is the combination of EW. UI, when these two letters come together, make a combination, we may get the same oo sound, like fruit, suit, juice. And EWE, when this is the combination, that is the combination of three letters, so it may give us same sound. This word is you and your, and OE, so it may also give us the same sound like shoe, and OUGH, it may also give us the same sound like through. And as I have already told you that there are exceptions as well among these generalizations, like if you see double O in blood, so it is giving us different sound. So basic purpose was to tell you we can have this oo sound in many different ways. Likewise, if you have, this is O, here it is oo, but in dove, shav, it is a. So here we will keep learning about the sounds of English and how different combinations behave. We will learn in our later lectures, and this is it for today. Thank you very much.